Welcome back. You come home, had to work a little late. You say, oh my God, what's for dinner? You just want to put your feet up on the couch. Take 10 minutes and think about it. Well, me got the answer. Mustgos. Everybody should have mustgos at least once a week. And that just means everything in the fridge must go. So, we've got potatoes that we had the other day. I got some fried mushrooms and onions. We have some green beans. Put it in a pot. Get in there. Everybody, don't be shy. Come on, that be a gold little buddy. Put that in the zinc. Put that in the zinc. Turn that around so I don't. I'll knock it in the floor. Turn that on. We're going to take. We got mushrooms and onions right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this front eye on. Here, we're going to take some of our olive oil. And that's not Popeye's olive oil either. Just so to let you know. Some of you might think that. She was tall and skinny. This is short and squatty. Like me. And then, what we're going to do, we're going to get all of our potatoes loosened from the bowl here. Lay yonder. And we're going to put it in this pan. Like this. So that can go in the zinc too. Because, you know, once you do this and whatever's left over tonight, hate to say it, but the trash man will take it. The mushrooms. And here we have some broccoli and cheese. Go back here to the hot box. Throw that on for 2 minutes. And we'll see what this is going to do. Because I'm telling you, mustgos has to be at least once a week. Because the cost of food, you know as well as I do, the cost of food is outrageous, to say the least. So, here at Mac's Diner, we have mustgos at least once a week. Now with this, we're gonna, let's give it a little salt. Change up the old flavor just a bit. And pepper to taste. A little bit. A little bit. That looks like a taste, doesn't it? Now these fried potatoes, it's going to be like you cut them up and fry them. They'll be got some crunchy and crispy parts on there if that's what you want. It's real good. But as you know, you go shopping. I went today and I picked up some cooking oil, some vegetable cooking oil. Almost $17. That is almost as high as an oil change in your car. Let me tell you. Depending on what kind of car you got. That's, to me, that's expensive. Let me just kind of flip them around a bit. Like that. And then little wooden spoon here. Mix this around a little. But I know stuff is getting just outrageous. I'm getting stronger. I know I am. It used to take me 4 or 5 trips with $100 during the groceries in. About 3 years ago. Now, the muscles. I can bring $100 in 2 hands. Yeah. And it's usually more than that. Than $100. So I don't know if I've been working out more or groceries are just getting that expensive. Give them a what for? Like I said, it's good to have mustgos. Put that in zinc. Let's check in on our other stuff. Give that a little mixy mix. French it for another minute and a half. And we'll call that good. And as you get done, all you really got to do is heat it up good. Like I said, unless you want like crunchy. Some people like to eat crunchy parts on potatoes. You just leave it in there a little longer and leave it in one spot for a while, let it kind of crisp up, and then give it a little flippy flip. Or you can use a spatula to do it, depending on how you do it. Normally I don't use a spatula unless I'm taking it out of the hot pan. Tried it with my hand once. Not recommended. Not recommended. I couldn't count to 10 for almost 3 weeks. Yeah. So that is the name of that too. And since we're having mustgos, we're going to use the fine china. Just don't drop, they break easy. And that's what we call mustgos. Now, I know everybody has mustgos, unless you have a really, really big family. Or you know how to cook for your size family. Unfortunately, I don't. I can't cook. I'm used to cooking for a lot of people. A lot of people. There was 13 of us growing up, so there was a big house. Here we always had company and kids over and people staying with us, and I was always cooking for large groups. So now that we're empty nesters and we're trying to figure out how to cook for 2. And normally, we do not succeed. So, but it's a good thing because sometimes people come over and unexpected, like at dinner time. Wait a minute. Maybe they had that planned. Come over at dinner time. I'm going to have to start studying on this one. But it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I always tell the kids when they come over here, if you go away from my house hungry, it's your own dang fault. I didn't. Not like I didn't cook enough food. So, if you're ever in the area and you're hungry, you know where to go. You run right over to Max Diner. Where they say the light's always on. No, that's Motel 6. and a half. Motel 6.5 says that. But I just cook. That's what I do. So, and I don't turn away hungry people. So, with all that being said, only thing I can say is when you get ready to do your mustgos, it don't take long. What are we into this? 10 minutes right now? Maybe? Yeah, about 10 minutes. So, and it's done. So the only thing we got left to do is serve. So the beans are heated, potatoes are fried, mushrooms and the onions are done. There's a little bit of broccoli. All we got to do is make a plate. So, let's do that. Let's just get some beans. Straight into plate, little fellers. You guys just crack me up. Just crack me up. Oops, hold that for a minute. Okay. Then you got a little of that. A little of that. I like this one. It's good for you. Makes your hair stand on the end. And more spoon. Got the fork. And mushrooms and onions are really, really good. And I tell you, the only way I do it is that I put mustard and mustard. Mustard? Salt, pepper, and some garlic, and that's it. Okay, we turn that off. Now we get the spatulas and put a little tater on there. Tater on another plate. And let's give her a little taste here. Let's just see the potatoes are good. I know that. I like that. Mushrooms and onions. It's all good. All good. So, when you come home and you're tired, less than 15 minutes you have dinner with your mustgos, and kids are happy, and you went into the kitchen, you made a damn mess, everybody's fed. So, when that all happens, all you got to do is say, until next time, America, keep cooking.